Right now, off and underway. Looks like George has had a problem coming down the waterfall. So it's Nick charging hard against James. Nick going well in these wet conditions. Marshall in the middle, please. James pulls out a bit of a lead as he comes onto the straight. He's been making some changes to his car. It's really snapped it open coming onto the straight. Calm it down, please, drivers. Keep it clean. Looks like Adam's having a good run this time. He's got himself up to second. Using the Yokomo VMAX 3. Also, our leader gets hung up on a hose. Just about gets away with it though. Nice and smoothly over the tabletop. Adam takes it easy. Just lands it on the top. Caution, there's a car on the straight. And a Marshall. That's now cleared. Looks like we've got a good race going on between Nick and Simon again. There's been nothing between it all day. And Barry's getting in the mix on that one as well. Oh, Simon's turning to get hung up on the hose. Caution, there's a Marshall at the tabletop. Oh, mistake from Simon coming through the S's. Takes too much curb and puts it on his roof. So James has checked out on this one. He's now coming through the S's, heading towards the wall ride. There he is, accelerating onto the straight. Caution, John Green, that is the leader behind you. Second place man is Adam with the blue car, yellow wheels, Yokomo. James, Schumacher Cat K1. Once again, Adam keeping it steady over the tabletop. So does George in third place. Barry's fourth. He clears it well. Nick has a bit of trouble on the approach. So James is up to lap. Simon, nice whip there from James. Trying to get that car down as quick as possible over the tabletop. Like I said before, you can't accelerate when you're in the air. That's nicely done from Adam there as well. Just lands right on top of it. It's where you want to be. Looks like Barry's catching George. He's certainly pulling away from Nick. So your leader, James, coming through the S's towards the wall ride. Second place man, Adam, at the tabletop. Nicely done again there for Adam. Looks like he's getting it sorted out now. He's been having a few problems through the day. Nicely over the curbs through the S's. Oh, Nick comes off on the tabletop. Barry's definitely getting the hang of the jump. He's trying a bit of a whip over it. Definitely catching George. Marshall in the middle, please, on the square. Caution drivers as you come through there. Caution John, caution Patrick. You've got third and fourth place mans coming through. Barry's definitely on it as George makes a mistake coming through the square. Marshall in the middle there, please. Barry's pace was just too much for George to keep up with. Barry didn't have to make the move in the end. But George made a mistake, so James takes the win. Second is going to be Adam. And the race for third is going to go to Barry. So long as he doesn't throw it away. There he is, he's crossed the line. Okay, drivers, race over.